Ha? Eto, upo ka, Mel. Michael, upo ka, Michael, Mel, Bautista, Justin, tsaka si Ray. Yung dalawa nilang reserve, si Parga, tsaka si Japs. Every 1 minute, may free throw. Black. Uy, dalawa po sila. 2 points by Me. Uy, kala ko 2 points na, nawala pa. Uy, kanina kapos, puro ng tira nila ngayon. Wow, ang ganda naman ng pasana yun. Parehong Pilipit. Two points. Simpleng sundot lang yun. Naka-easy agad. Justin, dribbling the ball. Still by Poblete. Uy! Dumulas yung bola. Number 5, no good. Oh! Malamig pa. Rebound by Sir Ray. Sir Ray, still, pinasa kay Eric. Nagkakahiyaan po sila. Okay. Parang ayaw kang pakapit ng bola. Bautista, pinasa kay Michael. Michael, pinasa kay Bautista, binigay kay Mel. Pinasa kay Bautista, Bautista, no good. Patay na, uy. Rebound by Eric. Okay, 2 points. 4-4. No good. Oh! Foul muna ba? Foul? Okay, foul. Poblete! No good. Pasok pa na yun. Ako, sayang. Still by Eric. Nakuha po ni Justin. Justin, ire-diretso na ba to? Justin, oy. Foul, blocking. Blocking foul. Bautista, no good. Ang ganda na po. Wow, oy. Na kay Justin pa. Score all 4. Number 5, no good. Rebound by Justin. Pinasa kay Michael. Michael, dediretso ba? Okay, foul. Score all 4. Nice pass by Justin. Michael, easy 2. Score 6-4. Eric, no good. Rebound by Sir. Time remaining, 7 minutes, 40 seconds. Mel, nice. Rebound by Poblete. Number 5, dire-diretso. Number 5, no good. Mel, pinasa kay Bautista. Bautista, no good. Rebound by Eric. Eric, pinasa. Wow! Sayang. I-release niyo talaga. Oh, bad pass. Rebound by Justin. Justin, 2 points. Score 8-4.
Pare ako ba comedy pare para maganda? Saan? Ikaw dito?
Okay, same ball. Last touch by number 5. Mel. Bad pass. Time remaining 6 minutes, 5 seconds. Number 5, 2 points. Score 8-6. Justin, pinasa kay Sir Ray. Sir Ray, no good. Nakuha pa ni Michael. Michael, easy 2. Score 10-6. Eric, ang lakas. Okay, good. Uy, sayang. Oras, 5 minutes, 18 seconds, 14 to shoot. No good. Pinasa number 5.
Pakailan ko rin.
No good. Rebound by Michael. Mel, walang kapagod-pagod. Pinasa kay Justin.
Ayaw ba? Power play yan. Okay, game.
Nice pass. Pinwerta. Hindi lang nag-shoot. Score 12-8. Time out.
O, ganto.
Justin Creek! Nakakaisa na yun kada game Pag naging shooter pa sa tres yun, parang unfair na. Number 5, pinasa ng Kublete. Number 5, Creek! Score 15-11. Binawi lang. Parga, ang lakas. Rebound na naka-gray. Pinasa kay number 5. Number 5, nag-iisip. Kublete, no good. Rebound by Parga to Bautista, no good. Edoy. Wait lang po dito, bola, kickball. Dito po bola, kickball. $14 seconds to shoot. Number 5. Gudiana, 8 seconds. 5 seconds. 2 seconds. Okay, good, good. Mel. 17-11. Number 5, no good. Varga, dire-diretso. Nadali mo din. Score 19-11. Walo na po walo na ang kalamangan ng mga regulars. Pinasa. Free! Para pong nag-lay up na. Mel. Bautista, ang ganda ng pasa. Pinasa kay Jap. Tumira ng 3. Oy! Okay, backcourt violation. Time remaining 1 minute 45 seconds. Jobs, pinasa kay Bautista. Binalik kay Parga. Parga, no good. Rebound by Poblete. Eric, pinasa kay number 5. Number 5. Okay, same ball, 14 to shoot. Wow! 19-16. Tatlo na lang po ang hinahabol nila. Tatlo na lang ha. Basta, wait lang po ha. 1 minute 10 seconds remaining. Bautista, no good. Rebound by Jobs. Nice hustle. Parga, no good. Number 5, libre. Number 5, AC2. Score 19-18. Isa na lang po hinahabol nila. Magkakabaliktaran ba bago matapos ang first walk? Rebound! Nice! Hustle by Parga. Jobs! Uy! Kinulang lang ng extra rice. Wow! Nice! Uy! Gandang pasa ng Eric. Sayang lang. Last 25 seconds. Justin, no good. Rebound by Poblete. Last 17 seconds. Eric, no good. Last 10 seconds. 10 seconds. Binalik. Uy! Last 5.1 seconds. 5.1 seconds. And score 19-18. Sino nakakuha ng bola kanina? Kayo, no? Hindi pa tayo change court, ah. Kayo nakakuha kanina? Ano? Sila. Ha? Uy, nakubuhin mo doon. Alin yung kayo? O, inom na muna po yung iinom, ha?
Isa rin. Kaya alam.
Mahaba pa oras, ha? Patrick! Okay, game! No good. Isa na lang po hinahabol ng mga taga Cavite. Parga ng 3 points. 3 by Parga. Score 22-18. Eric, pinasa kay Jason. Jason, no good. Eric, nag-paint, pinasa. Oy. Score 21-22. Bad pass. Number 5. Pinasa kay Eric, binalik kay number 5. Number 5, binalik kay Eric. Number 5. Uy, pasa pala yun. Rebound by Mel. Mel to Bautista. Bautista, easy 2. Score 24-21. Jason. 5 seconds. Number 5. Uy, wait.
Pasabi na kay Sir Winstra.
2 points by Jax. Score 26-21. Rebound by number 5. Number 5. Inbound. Ang ganda naman ng pasahan na yun. Iisa po eh. Sayang lang, anticipate. Ang halap lang talaga. Bautista to Justin, 2 points. Score 28-21. Nagkakaroon ng separation na. Pero mahaba pa oras. Eric. Binasa kay Jason. Binalik kay number 5. 4 seconds to shoot. 2 seconds. Good. 2 points by Bautista. Score 30-21. Three by Jason. 30-24. Two points by Jax. 32-24. Number 5, no good. Rebound by Justin. May dalawang timeout po tayo per quarter ha. 2 points by Bautista. Nakakarami na si Jan. Pinasa kay number 5. Number 5 is 2. Score 36-24. May 34-26. Walo lang ha, walo lang. Mel. Pinasa kay Justin. Justin, no good. Jax, easy 2. Score 36-26. Number 5. Pinasa sa naka-gray. No good. Okay, foul. No good. Pinasa kay number 5. Number 5. 2 points. Ute, nauso yung ano. 36-28. Jobs. Still by number 5. Kala ko makakalusot. Number 5, no good. Pinasa kay Eric, pinalik kay number 5. Number 5, no good. Still by Gray. Number 5, pinasa kay Miles. Wow! No good. Wait lang, pagkat. Wait lang. Wait lang. Ano na po tayo? Dead ball, dead ball, dead ball. Wait lang. Game. Kalaban nyo na muna po yung si, number 8. Nawalan kasi ng substitution yung kabila eh. Game. Barga. Bautista, nakakarami na yan, no? Score 38-28. Number 5. Eric. No good. Parang di tumatanda. Score 40-28. Eric. Jason. No good. Rebound by Eric. Nakuha ni Jobs. Jobs. Easy 2. Score 42-28. Remind ko, both teams may dalawang timeout kada quarter. Two points by Eric. Score 42-30. Jobs. Jobs. Easy 2. No good. Rebound by Poblete. Grabe naman yun. Kala ko shoot ni. Number 5. No good. Bautista, 2 points. Score 46-30. Pinasa kay Jason. Pasa pala yun. Uy, sayang. Bad pass, pero nakuha ni Mel. Mel! Black. Jason! No good. Number 5. 2 points. Score 46-32. Number 5. No good. Pag sumablay, depensa lang. Number 5. 3 points. Score 46-35. Magsablay depensa lang. Huwag ka matakot. 2 points by Japs. Score 48-35. Number 5. No good. Veteran shot. Score 50-35. 3 points. Score 50-38. 12. Poblete. Pinasa kay Parga. Pinasa kay Bautista. Binalik kay Japs. Japs, 2 points. Score 52-38. Jason, no good. Same ball. Time remaining. Last 1 minute. 3. Score 52-41, 11. Japs. Grabe yun, parang nagbabato lang. 54-41. Eric, in his spot. No good. Last 30 seconds. Parga. Uy, sayang. Number 5, in his spot na. No good pa rin, sayang. Last 15 seconds. Last 12 seconds. Uy. Nag-appear sa ere. Last 5 seconds. 3.6 seconds. 3.6 seconds. Okay na po. Game na po, Agi. Score 56-41, 15. Pinasa kay number 5. Rebound by Poblete. Naku, ang ganda ng pasa ko dyan. Score 41-58. Rebound by Mel. Mel, oy, ganito. No good. Maalat ngayon talaga. Japs, 2 points. Pinasa kay Eric. Eric pinasa sa naka-team. Binalik ulit kay Eric. 2 points. Score 43-60. Number 17. Pinasa kay Poblete. No good. Rebound by Eric. Nice. Uy, sayang. Naiwas, hindi lang napaboard. Japs. Grabe yun. Marami itong iinumin mamaya. Two points by Sir Eric. Score 45-62. Sayang. Harry! Bumalik pa, sayang. Kala ko bumalik pa. Number 17, sayang. Eric, 2 points. Score 47-62, 15. Steal by number 5. Nice steal. Nice shot. Score 49-62, 13. Wow. Simple lang. Number 5. Pinasa kay sa naka-18. Pinatuloy kay Sir Eric. Pinasa kay number 5. Number 5, 2 points. Score 51-64. Jump. Jump, 2 points. Score 51-66. Jason, no good. Mukhang nangihina na si Bautista. Good. Good po yan, ha? Eric, 3. Score 54-66, 12. Bautista, pinasa kay Poblete. Poblete. Uy. Eric, 3. Score 57-66, siyam na lang. Ten to shoot. Nice pass. No good lang, sayang. Rebound by number 5. Nag-hesitate. Nakuha pa na ni Jason. Jason, no good. Oy, nakuha ni number 5. Nakuha ni Sir Eric. No good. Bautista. Napapagod na mo sila. Score 57-68. 11. Number 5. No good. Mel. Jason. Sinakapos na. Uy. 57-70. Three. 60-70. Mukhang Will na lang nagpapalhakan. 10 seconds to shoot. At pass by Parga. Eric, no good. Rebound by Poblete. Jump. Uy. 14 to shoot, 14 to shoot. Sa pagod, ayaw na po niyang tumira. 60-72. Number 5, pinasa kay Sir Eric. Five seconds to shoot. Sir Eric, 3 points. Score 63-72. Seven seconds to shoot. Sixty-three, 74. Eric, pinasa kay Jason. No good. Number 17. Uy, still. Yung naka-gray. Pinasa kay Eric, Sir Eric. Uy! 65-74. Jump. 8 seconds. Varga, no good. Rebound by Jason. Nakuha ni Eric. No good. Rebound by number 5. 8 seconds. Mel. Uy. Jump. Ayaw na tumira lang ang kampi ni Jack. Eric to Jason. Uy. Pasa pala yun. Score 67-74, pito. 1 minute 50 seconds. Varga. Okay, backward. Eric, no good. Rebound by. Uy, sayang. Na-hassle na ni Jason, di lang nakuha. Still by Eric. Eric, pinasa kay Jason. Jason, 2 points. Score 69-74. 5. Poblete. No good. Rebound by number 5. Last 1 minute. Number 5. No good. Mel. Uy. Nahilo sa pasang yun. Last 39 seconds ng third quarter. 2 points by Jack. Score 69-76. 72-76, 4. 24 seconds. Last 20 seconds. 14 seconds. Wow! Ayaw po nang tumira. Poblete. No good. 3 seconds. 2 seconds. Score 74-76. Dito bola. Kina Jack. 74-76.
Tulong siya lang.
Game sa inyo. Last quarter. Eight seconds. Steal. Number 5. Lalamang na ba sila o magtatabla lang? Okay, Pao. Labas na lang po. 14 to shoot, 14 to shoot. No good. Rebound by Mel. Mel, dire-diretso. Uy. Good po yan. Steal. Eric. No good. Rebound by Jax. Nice pass, Marga. 2 points. Score 74-78. Apat. Rebound by Sir Eric. Twelve seconds. Bautista, 2 points. Ang lakas lang. Good. Same ball, last touch by Sir Eric. 14 to shoot. Eight to shoot. Two seconds. Okay, good. Good, tumama sa bola. Tumama sa ring. Ten to shoot. 3. 77-82. 5. Seventy-seven, 84. 12 seconds to shoot. 8 seconds to shoot. 4 seconds. 2 seconds. Steal. Eric, 2 points. 79-84. $79-86. 81, 86. Three. Okay, same ball. Tapik ba? Okay. Umamin ka na ba? Wait lang, pre. Pre, dito bola. Dito bola. Three. 84, 89. 5 minutes, 10 seconds. Five seconds. Sige, good. Basa. Three. Doon pala tinatabi ni Parga yun. 3. 5. Three. Lima na lang po, 100 na sila oh. Nung patapos, bigla nagputukan ng tres ah. O, fall down. 8. Last 3 minutes. Last 2 minutes. Hundred to na po. One minute, 8 seconds. Ninety-one, 102. 58 seconds. 52 seconds, 10 to shoot. Last 30 seconds. Sige, good, good. Nine point 7 seconds. Japs, punta na kayo. Japs, punta na kayo sa gitna. Pre, gitna na kayong 5.